This is how you can solve the problem of no permission. If you are restricted on Instagram, you can't run ads, and it says you can't create ads because your ad account is not active. This is how you can solve it. And so you cannot solve this problem without having a business portfolio. You must have a business portfolio or business manager to solve this problem. And in order to do that the right way, you need a Facebook account. So how do you do that? So first sign into your Facebook account, like what you see here. Then go to your left hand side. You see ad manager. So you tap on the ad manager and then open to the ad manager. When you get to the ad manager, like what you see here, you can see all tools. Go to all tools and then go to you will see business settings. Business settings. So open the business settings. It will take you to something like what you see here. Now, when you get to business settings, now for some people, if you already don't have a business portfolio, when you try to go to business settings, it will ask you to create a business portfolio. If it asks you to create a business portfolio, you simply put your business details to create a portfolio. And let me show you what details they'll be asking for. The details they'll be asking for is your business name, and then your email, and the first and last name. I'll just show you a typical example of how to create a business portfolio. Let me just show you a typical example. So if I come here, you see this one. If I click on this, so as you see here, if you don't have a business portfolio, when you click on the settings here, when you click on the business settings, it will have just brought you here and ask you to create a business name, first and last name, plus your email. And then after you do that, you click on create. It would have created a business portfolio for you. Then you come back and then you now tap on business settings. Then it will bring you to the business settings like what you see here. Now when you come to the business settings, then what you have to do is that you come to the Instagram account. Okay, come to Instagram account and tap on add Instagram. So when you tap on add Instagram, it will ask you to log in to Instagram. So you click on claim Instagram account. So when you click on claim Instagram account, it will log in. Okay, so let me just go through and you see how it looks like. So you see so you see here, it's asking me to log in. As you choose the Instagram account I want to log in. If you want to use, if the account that is restricted is not part of what you see on your screen, you can just tap on use another profile, and it will ask you to put the username and the password of that account. You put those details to log in. Now after you log in, it means that that Instagram account has been added to the business portfolio. Now after you add it, now you come and see connected assets. Okay, so you have to create an advertising account and connect that asset to the Instagram account. So how do you do that? You come to the add account section. You come to add account and you tap on add, and then you create you click on what? Create new ad account. So after you create the new ad account, what you will do is that you will now come to that particular ad account like I've already created. So if you don't have, you tap on, when you tap on create new ad account, you put the name of the ad account, the location, that's the time zone and the currency, and then you follow and test on screen instructions to create it. After you create it, you come here and click on what? Connect asset. When you click on connect asset, you go to other business asset. You see, then now you select the Instagram account like this and click on what? Add. Do you see what I'm doing here? Now when you tap on add, then you click on done. So it means that the Instagram account is connected to that advertising account. Now you come back to Instagram. Okay, now when you come back to Instagram, go to the post that you want to boost and tap on boost post or boost reel. So let me refresh it and try again and you see something. It has logged me out. It has logged me out. I'm going to log in again. I'm going to log in again. I was logged in on this. Okay, so let me log in. So after you log in, so I've they've just put the code and it logged me. So I'm just logging in. Okay, so it has logged me in. Now when you tap on boost post, like what you see here, now you see no permission, but you see change ad account. So tap on change ad account. So it will log you in and ask you to now continue as a Facebook account or Facebook profile that you created. So you tap on continue. Then you will now select. You see, they are saying that they will use this ad account, but that's not the ad account I want. So you tap on what? Change Facebook ad account. Now you see, this is the ad account that I want to use from Facebook, which is the newest ad account I just created. Then you now tap on done. and then you tap on. So you see that they are now indicating that the one I selected will be used. So I'll now continue. Boom. So it is solved. You see, I can now continue to set up the advert. They will not tell me the no permission again. If you follow this step-by-step problem to the end, you can resolve the problem of your Instagram account being restricted from advertising. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. If you have any problem doing this, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or the Telegram link to contact me for assistance, and then we help you. But know that we charge very affordable prices to help you on Zoom. See you once again in the next video. Bye.